Hi all. So I welcome everyone to the to InfraStack-Labs. So today we will be taking how to set up a how to host a website with the help of Ansible. So Sujina will be taking this webinar. So I give it to Sujina. Sujina.
Yeah. Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Sujina, working as a cloud engineer SRE at InfraStack-Labs. Today, I'm going to take a webinar on the topic Ansible-Powered website hosting in Effortless deployment. So we'll share my screen. Is my screen visible? Hello?
Yeah, visible, visible.
Okay. So in this session, I'm going to show how Ansible works. So before going to the demo, we'll give a brief description about Ansible. First, what is Ansible? Ansible is a configuration management tool which is used to set up and manage infrastructure and application. And Ansible allows us to configure multiple nodes from a single controller node at the same time. Just what is Ansible used for? We can use Ansible to automate mainly three types of tasks. The first one is provisioning. Provisioning means we can set up various servers needed for an infrastructure. And the second one is configuration management, which means we can change the configuration of an application, or we can start or stop the services, or we can install and update the application. And the last one is application deployment, which means deployment of internally developed application to the production system. Next, why companies use Ansible. So we'll explain this by considering a scenario. Let us consider there are 100 servers in your organization, and we need to install Nginx on all 100 servers at the same time. So it's not convenient to do it manually. It will consume more time and take more manpower. So here comes Ansible in picture. By using Ansible, within a single click, we can install Nginx on all 100 servers. So I will show how it works in the coming demo. Next, why only Ansible? So there are several configuration tools like Chef and Puppet available in market, but still why only Ansible is preferred by the organization? The main point is it is simple, which means it uses a YAML, a simple configuration language, and there is no need of special coding skills, and it is easy to understand. But other configuration tools like Chef and Puppet, they are using Ruby, which is difficult to understand. And the second reason is flexible. We can orchestrate the entire application environment, and there is no matter where we deploy the application. And the last one is agentless. Ansible does not require any software to install on the nodes. So these are the main three reasons the organization uses only Ansible. The main part of this Ansible is Ansible Playbook. As I already said, it's a configuration file. It's written in YAML. So this configuration file is known as Ansible Playbook. It's an organized unit of scripts that defines the task involved. Now I will show how to work with Playbook. So here I have three servers. The first one is controller node, and the remaining two are, I am taking just two nodes. The remaining two servers, we are going to install Nginx from this controller server. So I already installed this Ansible in controller node. These are the common steps which we are using. It's easily available. So I already installed Ansible in this server. I'll show that. I'll connect once again. These two are the target nodes. So this is the master node, means controller node. Here I already installed Ansible. We'll show the Ansible version. Ansible is already installed in this controller node. Now, before hosting the web page, we'll establish the connection between the controller and the target node. For that, I'm establishing the connection. For that, I'm generating the key. So the key is located in this file. We see the key. So this is the key. We'll copy this key and paste it on target nodes. Same way, we are going to paste the key in the target 2 node. Now we establish the connection between the. We just share the key. Next, let's check where is Ansible. It's located in this here. Okay, now we are in this folder. And let us go to the host file. Here we are giving the target node details. So two target nodes we are using, the target 1 and target 2. So mention it as web servers. It's a group name. And the syntax is the target node's name. Here it is target 1 and target 2. And Ansible. And we need to specify the private IP of the target nodes. Same thing need to do for second server also. Now we configure the IP address and host details. Next, let us check whether the connection is established or not. So the target 1 is pinging, then check for the target 2 also. Or we can do it by Ansible M in all. By using this command also, we can check. Now the connection established. Next, I'm going to create a playbook file. As I already said, playbook is the main part of Ansible. So I'm going to create the file. Name it as playbook.yaml. So the extension should be YAML. So the main part is here, the playbook format. So this is the code to install Nginx. Here, the first line, this one indicates the start of the Ansible playbook. Then the next one is host specification. Here the host group is named as web servers. It is web servers. And become yes means it's like giving the root permission, like sudo. For Ansible, we are giving the root permission like this. Then the next steps are the tasks which we are going to do. The first one is name update, which means it update the app cache. And the second one is we are going to install the Nginx, and the format is like this. We are going to install the latest version. Before run this playbook, let us check whether the whether Nginx is there available there in target nodes. Nginx is not available. Let's check same for the target 2 also. It's not available. Now we are going to run this playbook file. The syntax is Ansible playbook and the file name. This is the syntax to run Ansible playbook. First task was update the cache. So it will execute in the same order. So the cache is updated here. The next is going to install Nginx. Take some time. So it is OK state. Just check the status here. Now the Nginx is active. The same thing you can check for the second node also. So similarly, we can install Nginx or whatever the service we need from the single node. Now let us host the web page, our own web page. For that, I'm just creating a folder. And create index.html file. So this is the HTML file which I need to copy. It's the HTML file format for my web page. Now, before run this playbook, let us add the task details. So we'll add the task details here. The format is just give the name of the task, then copy from the source. My source is etc ansible index.html file to the default location. So we'll run this. So all the 3 tasks performed correctly. Now let us check whether the web page is available or not. Now we host the web page. Similarly, we can start or stop whatever the services we need. We'll show one more example. Now I'm going to stop this Nginx service. The only thing we need to concentrate is this should be in the same alignment. We need to only check this alignment. So again, run the playbook. Now check whether an Nginx is available or not. It is in active stage. So this way, we can launch, we can host, or we can start or stop any services, or we can configure any services from a single controller node to multiple nodes. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Sujina. Does anyone have any questions? I think no one is having any questions, so I think we can wind up. Thank you all for joining, and happy Onam.
Okay, thank you.